weather alert that starts now and continues all the way through Monday. First, because of rain, at some points we could see strong storms and flooding. Then for freezing rain and ice accumulation. Finally, for cold and wind chills that could drop below zero. First off, the winter storm warning now starts at 3 a.m. instead of 6 a.m. tomorrow. It continues until noon on Sunday. I do think widespread ice accumulations of 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch are likely. And in the hill country, there may be some pockets of 1/2 inch of ice accumulation. That would be enough, as Michael Crowley was just mentioning, to cause some power issues and some trees down. Meanwhile, for the extreme cold warning, goes into effect at 6 p.m. tomorrow through noon Monday. We could see wind chills as low as 5 degrees below zero. Here's the lay of the land. We're watching that freezing line in pink dive closer and closer to our northwest hill country communities. It's now down to 23 in Abilene. They've had snow and sleet. We're also, as mentioned, watching the thunderstorms develop right along the front. The front itself is draped to our south, and we've actually seen some hail and some rain rates of 1 to 2+ inches per hour. So there are flood advisories for areas like Medina as well as Kerrville. Right now I'm watching as we've seen 3 to 3.5 inches of rain there, and some of that's going to train northward, which will move into Gillespie County and potentially into Llano County as well. So from Austin Point south and west, the Weather Prediction Center actually has put us under an advisory, just saying, hey, flash flooding is possible through the overnight. So if you have any plans to be driving out on the roads tonight, beware of ponds, water, and all of that potentially could turn into frozen roadways because we may have some standing water around. So there's the front right there. Let's track what to expect with this storm. Heavy rain at times through the overnight hours continuing as we start to see some mixing take place maybe as early as 1:30 or 2 a.m. in the hill country. The heaviest rain pushes through as we head toward sunrise. There may be a lull in the precipitation first thing tomorrow morning, but look at temperatures. They're dropping. We may start to see that icy precipitation through the afternoon and continuing all the way into Sunday morning. Once we get to Sunday morning, we're just dealing with the cold. Rain itself could be an issue, 1 to 3 inches. Ice obviously is going to be a concern. The latest computer models are giving us around 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch across much of the area. Again, with that isolated threat of some 1/2 inch accumulations. Please be safe. Please stay warm. We'll keep you updated.